Eyes across Jamaica. News from every angle.
Let's see what is popping in the news. A Manchester woman is now hospitalized with gunshot wounds following a dramatic series of crimes that began with the abduction of a taxi operator and his passenger in the parish capital last night. The police report that sometime before 8 o'clock, 3 men approached a taxi operator in Mandeville and asked him to take them to Mayday. The driver already had 1 passenger. The 3 men boarded the white Toyota taxi and the vehicle drove off. During the journey, the 3 men reportedly pulled guns and directed the taxi operator to head towards Christiana. The police say the 3 gunmen stopped in the community of Chudley, took out the driver and his passenger, and tied them up in bushes. One of the gunmen kept watch on the cabbie and his passenger and the other 2 left with the taxi. Around 5 o'clock this morning, a butcher and a woman were traveling in his truck towards Christiana to buy cows when he noticed a white car traveling behind him along Penn Hill. It is reported that on reaching Walderston, the car overtook the truck, pulled over and signaled the truck driver to stop. However, the truck driver did not stop. That's when the white car gave chase and its occupants opened fire at the truck, puncturing one of the tires. The men subsequently overtook the truck and fired more shots into it, hitting a woman on her breast and arm before speeding away. The butcher then drove to a nearby gas station and abandoned the truck before he and the injured woman ran into nearby bushes. It is reported that the gunman soon returned and stole the woman's handbag from the truck. The gunman then went back to the location where the taxi operator and his passenger were tied up, released them and returned the car. The taxi driver and the passenger immediately drove to the Williamsfield police and reported the matter. Thanks for watching and feel free to leave a comment, and if it's your first time here please like and share and subscribe, and also remember to hit that notification bell and select all so we can keep you abreast of all happening. Have a great day.